Hey everybody, Dino Picella here. Hope you're doing well. I've been getting numerous questions around how to create cool, artistic, attention-grabbing thumbnails. But it's not just the thumbnails, it's art that you can share across your other social pages. So if you're utilizing LinkedIn, Facebook, if you want to make it into a 1x1 square and smash those on Instagram, you can do them as well. So I wanted to share the way I do it. I know there are numerous videos out there or instructional videos where people showing you how to create cool thumbnails, but I wanted to share the way I do it. I think it's quick, easy, and best of all, it's free as well. So once you get the hang of these, they should take you no more than about 10 minutes to create a very cool one. So if what I'm talking about around the thumbnails is potentially ones like this, even ones like this, start by saying, let's remove the background. If you're not happy with the background, or it's not something that you're after and you just want a plain image with some colorful background and some cool text or even some patterns and whatever you want to put some real cool artwork behind your own image, then I use what's called Remove BG. And let me show you exactly what that is, guys. So this is the website. So as I said, it's remove.bg just on the top here in the address bar. And you can go straight into that. You don't have to actually sign in if you don't want to. You can use this as a free site. So just go into upload image, select image. We're going to select one from me on a couch recently. And what it will do, once it's uploaded, it'll give you the options if you want to keep the removing of the background. So where it is there, it's transparent. Or you can potentially even edit it and you can choose a color off the background directly from this website. So you don't need another platform, which is pretty handy. So if you want to do a cool black one and just put some text off the back of that around what my video or what my content is going to be about, you can create a white one. You can even use some background imagery if you like. So it looks like I'm in a disco party here, or looks like I'm at the bay of wherever it may be on a beautiful secluded island there. But let's go back and instead of having a transparent one, let's go back and have a wonderful thing that's orangey color. And all you need to do is hit download image, and it'll open up in your folder that you've actually saved that. So there it is. All right, now we've removed the background imagery and we've placed an orange/ready type of color behind me. We didn't leave it transparent, but you can leave that transparent if you like and superimpose your own pic onto another photo of your own as well through that removebg.com site. So you can have a play around with that as well. Now, if you feel like you want to give your picture a little bit of a oomph, a little bit of a kick through to grab that attention, and you want to put a bit of an outline around it, because that's the cool thing to do, particularly when you're using a thumbnail for a YouTube video. You want it to stand out across all the recommended videos that people will potentially be seeing if they've subscribed to your channel. So I'm going to share with you the platform that I use. Again, it's a free online platform, and this is it. It's Pixlr.com, Pixlr.com. Again, a free online. You don't have to sign up. You don't have to pay for it. So what you want to do is just go straight on the left-hand side to open image, and we'll grab the image that I created previously from Remove BG with the orange background. So you can see that there now. What I want to do is go to the left, and I want to go to the tab where it's got drawing, or the icon, I should say. We click on that, and now we've got basically a circle with a plus symbol, and that's going to be where we create our outline of your image. What you can do, you can scroll in and zoom in so it's a little bit easier to get around those little parts where we're talking about. As you can see, my circle is quite large, so you can change the thickness of your outline through the size here. So let's say we want to select it on a 26, and I'll show you what that looks like. So a 26 looks like that. And if you've created something, every time you let go of your mouse, you can go underneath, on the bottom here, and on that undo, you can just create it. So if we've created something and I've gone, whoops, I've made a mistake, just go back and it'll delete the last line where you've finished releasing your mouse button. But guys, it's probably a little bit thick, so let's create it on a 20. And you can change the softness. So as you can tell there, it's pretty soft. If I do it on 68 here on the left, if I create it all on the way on 100, it goes smaller and even softer. Well, let's get rid of those and let's create a line with no softness whatsoever. At the left here under the softness as well, you can change the color. So if I've got a white background, I probably don't want a white outline. So you might want an orange or a black or whatever that may be. But let's have a look how this goes. So if I wanted to start creating the outline, I'll start from the bottom. Again, it is a very, very thick line that I've done here. So I'll stop that there. I'll go to the right and I'll create it back up. Again, this is very, very messy, but you get the idea of what you can create. So it takes a little bit longer than the time I'm doing it now. And whoops, I've just gone over myself. So I'll undo that dot. Continue along down and all the way down and finish that one off. And then you can zoom back out. Okay, I've missed my ears, but you get the idea on how simple that can be. All you need to do is hit save and hit download, and it'll save into your folder button, into your folder. That is how simple to create a cool outline on your picture. So again, take those two down, take screenshots, write those down. I'll put the two links to remove BG and the pixelart.com in the description below, so you can click straight on those and take you there, and you can save them as well in your own notes. What I'm going to do now is once I've saved them, I actually email them and I create the text off my phone. So give us a moment, stay with me. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button for me, hit like, leave a comment. If you want to select the bell and turn that on so you get notified of all my latest videos, feel free to do so as well. But let's grab my phone. I'll do an overview and I'll voice over of how I create the text part of my thumbnail. So guys, let's do that now. Thanks for hitting subscribe.
We're inside Thumbnail Maker, select Thumbnail Maker, select the camera, select the picture that we created, and then it will let you enter the text of your choice. So here we'll just put in how to create, and we'll get that up and running, and I'll get the spelling of create right, get my big thumbs out of the way, and then we'll put that in the center, and we can move that around and also put it on an angle, as you can see. So we'll move it to the left, and then we can select the free text of our choice. So as you can see there, you can scroll across, select one that you like that suits the background, suits the imagery. You can change the color of the text as well as the outline or the shadowing of that. And then once you've moved that into the area of your choice, and hit save.